Hey, what's up guys? My name is Zach and I work here at Uptown Barbers, and I'm gonna walk you through how I get my hair ready for the day before I can style my clients. First, I like to start off with Layrite Grooming Spray as a primer. I like to use this in my hair when it's a little bit more dry. The primer in the grooming spray is so good that when you apply this and you do a thorough blow dry with it, it takes less product when you use your finishing product. A lot of guys like to scoop out a ton of product thinking like it's gonna be the best hold. I say do the primer, nice blow dry, and then apply a decent amount of your finishing product, whatever that is. So today I'm gonna use the grooming spray and cement clay. All right, so I'm gonna start with grooming spray. Just a few little spritzes, enough to get the hair nice and moist. The thing when you're using a matte looking product is that you don't want your hair to be too wet, because then that defeats the purpose of the matte. I've applied the primer, which is our grooming spray. Next, I'm gonna go in with our cement clay. Now, this is a matte finish product. One thing about matte finish is that you don't want any moisture in your hair. Imagine coming out of the swimming pool and trying to dry yourself off with a wet towel. It's kind of not good, right? You're not gonna get dry. When you are using a matte product, it's sort of the same concept. To get the most out of this product, you want your hair to be as dry as possible. Because it is a matte looking product, you don't want any shine in it, and the more moisture that's in your hair, the more shine is gonna come through. So the drier the hair, the more efficient the product will be. And since we have the primer in, my hair's ready. I have the volume in there. Now I just come in, nice little swab, emulsify it nice and hot. Feel a little bit of warmth in your hands before you apply it. That's gonna help get the product in evenly. Work my way through. Now my hairstyle is more of like a messy side part, so I don't really use a comb. I just use my fingers and I just lay down what I need. And that's how I use our grooming spray and our cement clay to get my hair ready for the rest of the day.